Loki.
And who's a good guy?
Thor.
And what else do you guys want to ask him? Okay, Michael.
Wonder Woman.
Who's your favorite girl superhero?
Mama, please.
Who's the favorite superhero that's a girl? What are girl superheroes?
Wonder Woman.
¿Y quién más? ¿Y quién más?
Superman.
He's a boy.
Catwoman. She's a good.
What about Catwoman?
Catwoman.
Okay, who knows anything about superheroes? Who wants to ask him? Okay, or say something to him.
Do you like Captain America?
He's a good guy.
Okay, Irene.
What are Wonder Woman's items?
I
I don't think he knows what that means.
Sure, golden
What does
lasso.
she have?
What does Superman do? Does he fly? How does he go?
He does like this.
Video of that too. How about Iron Man?
Iron Man, he shoots his fire with his hands.
Oh. And how about who else am I missing? The Hulk. What does the Hulk do?
Smash Thor.
Hulk smash Thor.
As Thor beats Loki, he does beat Loki.
Oh,
Oh.
Hawkeye.
Who?
Hawkeye.
Who's Hawkeye?
Oh, he's the guy with the arrow.
He also knows about Kidra. Do you guys know about Kidra?
No.
No. Okay, tell him about
How
Kidra.
about Godzilla?
You guys know about Godzilla?
The flying bird is named. I don't know the flying bird.
Oh, we have to ask them.
Hawkeye.
No.
Falcon.
Eagle.
Okay, who else wants to ask the superhero ones?
Fantastic.
What does Wonder Woman do? Well, do you know? How about Hulk? What does he do?
He's smashing the car.
But what does he say?
He Hulk smash.
Hulk smash. Okay. Okay, tell them what your name is.
Matthew.
Tell them how old you are.
3.
Tell them when your birthday is.
3.
Oh, no, when's your birthday?
3.
¿Cuándo vas a cumplir años? When's your birthday?
5.
When's your birthday? March what?
March 24.
Yeah, you're having a party? What kind of party?
Batman, Superman, Batman.
Okay. Oh.
What's his favorite supervillain?
Super what?
Villain.
Who's the villain? Who's the bad guy?
What's your favorite bad
Who's
guy?
your favorite bad guy? Do you like bad guys?
Joker.
Or do you like good guys?
Joker.
Joker is a bad guy.
Do you like him?
You like him?
No.
Do you like good guys or bad guys?
Good guys.
Do you like Lex Luthor?
What about dinosaurs? Do you like dinosaurs?
Oh, Beast Boy, he turns into dinosaurs.
Okay. Yeah, you
I
like
know.
good guys.